On the 6th of January, the Maroons celebrate their victory dance in Maroon County, St. Elizabeth. Guys, I'm gonna take you around and just show you in Maroon Town, Accompong, for the victory celebration.
Is all I ever have. Rough cut, a rough song, a rough song. Redemption songs. The big song got rough cut to them. Nobody OJ, one to them. It was very strong. By the end of the Almighty, we forward in this generation. If I like to take you out, you know. What have my daughter called me? My daughter said, Sean, what you doing? Come out!
An amazing maroon dance. So 6th of January 2026 here in Accompong Maroon Town, we have the victory dance and it was awesome, guys. So as always, we're here and we're sending you one love from the island of Jamaica.